So it looks like NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3060 Ti is soon going to get a mining-specific variant by major manufacturers. Now MSI is one of those manufacturers, as its mining GeForce RTX 30 series lineup has appeared within the EEC database. The cryptocurrency market has been a roller coaster over the past few weeks, and it's both highs and lows, but there is demand coming from within the sector for more graphics cards. NVIDIA may have sold a large inventory of its AMPERE GPUs directly to miners, but manufacturers seem to be following a similar suit. MSI has been spotted submitting 2 brand new crypto mining graphics cards over at EEC. The cards include the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti miner, which comes in both standard and factory overclock variants. These graphics cards are based on the GA104-200-A1 GPU, which features 4,864 CUDA cores and 8GB of GDDR6 memory that runs across a 256-bit bus interface with a rated clock speed of 14 gigabits per second. The card has a TDP of 200 watts and retails for $399. However, we don't know the prices for the mining specific variants just yet. With custom power limit of 120 watts, the RTX 3060 Ti can deliver a mining hash rate between 50 and 60 megahash per second, and since the graphics card is available in better quantities than the higher end GeForce RTX 3070 and 3080 and 3090 models, there's a good reason why the 3060 Ti is going to be a popular product in the mining segment. Now there's no words on when the two models will be released to the market, but AIBs like MSI will try to take benefit of the situation while the mining craze is still hot. Chances are these will be sold directly to miners and not be put on e-listings or store shelves. But if you thought the whole situation surrounding GPU availability and pricing couldn't get any worse or weirder, then be prepared for what AIBs are planning to do, which is simply to reintroduce the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 series with prices close to that of the RTX 3070. Yeah, you heard that right. Last generation graphics card for the same price as the higher performant and current gen product. Now the rather surprising piece of information comes from overclocking.com, who have confirmed that their sources, which happen to be 3 major AIBs, that they are indeed planning to revive the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 series. Now NVIDIA has apparently given the green light to its partners, and it looks like this could be several reasons for this decision to be made. Now one is that NVIDIA could possibly be sitting on a huge inventory of Turing GPUs, mainly the mainstream TU104 and TU106 chips. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 series consists of graphics cards based on the 2 GPUs. The GeForce RTX 2060 6GB is powered by the TU106 GPU, while the RTX 2060 Super is powered by the TU104 GPU and features 8GB of memory. And since there's a shortage of GPUs in the market and the demand is rising with the DIY and OEM segments, NVIDIA and its AIBs could be taking advantage of the situation by selling the excess inventory. Now the GeForce RTX 2060 6GB was priced at $299 US after a price cut when NVIDIA launched the RTX 2060 Super was priced at $399 US. Now the prices may be fine, but the reality is those cards will never be sold at that rate again. Starting in February, which is when both of these cards re-enter the retail segment, the GeForce RTX 2060 Super will be priced over $400 US, while the GeForce RTX 2060 will be priced well over $300 US. So based on the price figures alone, the GeForce RTX 2060 6GB will be closer to that of the RTX 3060 12GB, while the RTX 2060 Super will end up close to that of the GeForce RTX 3070's MSRP. And for more on this and other news, follow the link in the description and make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that we don't miss you in the next one.